here. The fridge is almost completely empty now.
Oh, really? What do we need to buy today, Mom?
Let me check the kitchen and then we can make a list.
Good idea. I will get a pen and some paper now. We are running out of tomatoes, onions, and garlic at home.
Yes, and we don't have any potatoes or carrots left either.
Should we buy some fruits too? Like bananas and apples, Mom? Yes. Let's add mangoes and grapes to our shopping list too.
We also need spinach, cucumber, broccoli, and fresh lettuce for salad.
Don't forget ginger and pepper too, Mom. We use them a lot.
Our shopping list is ready. Let's walk to the market now.
I love going to the fresh market with you, Mom. How far is the market from our house today, Mom?
It is about 10 minutes away, just a short, easy walk. Remember, we should only buy fresh vegetables and ripe fruits today.
Yes, fresh and ripe ones always taste the best, I agree. Do you know the price of mangoes at the market, Mum?
I think they cost about $2.50 per kilo there usually.
What is a stall exactly, Mum? Is it like a small shop?
A stall is a small stand where a vendor sells things outside.
Mom, I can see the market ahead. It looks so colorful already.
Yes, I love this market because everything here is always so fresh.
Wow, this market is so big.
Every vendor here sells fresh fruit and vegetables every morning. Let's start with the fruit stalls on the left side, okay?
Oh, look, those apples look so shiny and red over there, Mom. Should we buy everything on the shopping list today, Mom?
Yes, let's follow the list so we don't forget anything important.
There is the fruit stall. Let's go and take a closer look.
I can see bananas, oranges, and watermelons from here already.
Good morning. Welcome to my stall. What fruit can I get you?
Good morning. We are looking for some fresh fruit today, please.
Excuse me, how much are these red apples per kilo today?
The red apples are $1.50 per kilo. Very fresh today.
They look so fresh and great. Can I have 2 kilograms of apples?
Of course. Let me weigh them for you right now, please.
Here you go. That is exactly 2 kilograms of apples for you.
Perfect. Please add them to the bag. Thank you so much.
How much is a bunch of bananas over there on the left?
A bunch of bananas is just $1 today. Very cheap.
Oh, that is very cheap. We will take 2 bunches of bananas.
I love bananas. They are my favorite fruit, you know, Mum.
Mom, look at those mangoes. They look so ripe and sweet already.
They look delicious. Let's ask the vendor about the price now.
Excuse me, how much do these mangoes cost per kilo today?
The mangoes are $2.50 per kilo, and they are very ripe.
$2.50 per kilo? That sounds a little too expensive, Mom.
Let me check our budget. Maybe we can buy just 1 kilo. Can we get a small discount if we buy 2 kilos of mangoes?
Yes. Buy 2 kilos and I will give you a nice discount.
That is such a good deal, Mum. Let's buy 2 kilos then.
Agreed. Please weigh 2 kilos of mangoes for us right now.
Try one. These mangoes are the sweetest ones this whole week.
Oh, wow, Mum. This mango is the most delicious thing I have ever tasted.
Let me try one too. Oh yes, these mangoes are really ripe.
I told you, Mum. Fresh market mangoes are always the best.
Do you have fresh grapes today? I cannot see them from here.
Yes. The green grapes are just here. $1.80 per kilo.
Can I have 1 kilo of grapes, please? They look really fresh.
Of course. Let me weigh 1 kilo of grapes for you now.
Are these oranges ripe and sweet, or do they taste sour?
These oranges are very ripe and sweet, not sour at all.
Perfect. I'd like 1.5 kilograms of oranges, please.
No problem at all. I will add them all to your bag.
Mum, look at those strawberries. They are so red and completely fresh.
Strawberries are $2 per kilo, a very good price today.
Wonderful. We'll take half a kilo of strawberries, please. Thank you.
Do you have lemons here? We need them for cooking at home.
Yes, lemons are right here.
4 fresh lemons for just $1.
We'll take 4 lemons, please. What is the total for everything?
Your total for all the fruit today is $9.80, please.
Here is $10. Can I have the receipt too, please?
Of
No?
course. Here is your change and your receipt. Enjoy everything.
We bought apples, bananas, mangoes, grapes, oranges, strawberries, and lemons.
Great choices. Now let's go and find the vegetable stall, Lily.
We still need tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, onions, and fresh spinach today.
And garlic, ginger, cucumber, pepper, broccoli, and lettuce too, right, Mum? I can see a big vegetable stall over there. Let's go quickly, Mum.
Yes. The vegetables there look so colourful and really fresh to me.
Hello there. What fresh vegetables can I help you with today? Good morning. We have a very long shopping list with us today.
Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes per kilo today, please?
The tomatoes are $1.20 per kilo, very fresh and very ripe.
I'd like 2 kilos of tomatoes and 1 kilo of carrots, please.
Yeah, of course. Let me weigh those for you right away, no problem.
We also need onions and potatoes. Do you have both of those?
Yes. Onions are 90 cents and potatoes are $1 per kilo.
Can I have 1 kilo of onions and 2 kilos of potatoes, please?
No problem at all. I will add them both to the bag now.
Is this spinach organic? I love organic spinach for my salads.
Yes. All my spinach is organic, grown without any chemicals at all.
Wonderful. Organic vegetables are always better for our health, I think.
Can I have a big bag of spinach, please? It looks so fresh.
Do you have fresh garlic and ginger? We use both at home a lot.
Yes. Fresh garlic is here and ginger is right next to it too.
Let's take 2 bulbs of garlic and 1 big piece of fresh ginger.
Yes. Please add the garlic and ginger to our bag. Thank you.
How much is 1 cucumber here, and how much are the peppers?
Cucumbers are 50 cents each and red peppers are $1.20 per kilo.
I'll take 2 cucumbers and half a kilo of sweet red pepper.
Great choice. The red peppers are very sweet and very fresh today.
Do you have fresh broccoli and lettuce for a salad today?
Yes. Fresh broccoli and crisp lettuce are right here just for you.
Perfect. I'd like 1 head of broccoli and 1 fresh lettuce, please.
Great. Let me weigh the broccoli and pack the lettuce too now.
That is everything we need. What is the total for everything today?
Your total for all the vegetables today is $8.40, please.
Here is the cash. Can I have the receipt too, please, today?
Of course. Here is your change and your receipt. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Your vegetables are so fresh and really beautiful.
Thank you. Come back again anytime. You are always welcome here.
Mom, our bags are so heavy now. We bought so many things today.
Yes, but everything is fresh and we got such a good deal. I love this market because the food is always so fresh here.
Why is market food fresher than supermarket food, Mom? I am curious.
Because vendors pick it fresh every morning and bring it straight here.
I love that. I want to come to this market with you every week.